Welcome to Factory Process. Today you'll see exactly how everything is made. Stay with us till the end to watch the complete journey of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Premium 7-seater SUV. First, raw high-strength steel coils specifically formulated for the Fortuner arrive and are carefully unloaded. These premium materials will form the foundation of our durable body structure. The coils are decoiled and precision cut into large blanks. Computer-controlled systems ensure zero waste and perfect measurements for the Fortuner's chassis components. Huge 2,000-ton stamping presses shape the steel blanks into floor panels, doors, and roof sections for this specific Fortuner body. Each stamp is perfectly calibrated for strength and lightness. Freshly stamped panels are inspected for quality and moved to the sub-assembly area. Every panel for our 2026 Fortuner meets Toyota's strict global standards. Robotic welders join the underbody panels into a strong chassis frame. Over 4,000 precise spot welds create the rigid platform that gives the Fortuner its legendary toughness. Body side panels are precisely aligned and welded to the chassis. Laser measurement systems ensure millimeter-perfect fit for this Fortuner's aerodynamic design. The roof panel completes the main body shell. Structural adhesive and welding create a unibody structure engineered for safety and off-road capability. The bare body shell undergoes 3D laser scanning to verify dimensional accuracy before painting. Any deviation is corrected instantly. pH is holding steady at 2.8. Immersion current is optimal. The body speed is set for a year with a metal surface for perfect paint adhesion and long-term durability in all climates. Full immersion and E-coat primer ensures every surface, including hidden cavities, is protected against rust for the life of the Fortuner. The primed body passes through high-temperature ovens to cure the coating, creating a rock-solid base layer. Multiple layers of high-gloss premium white pearl paint are applied robotically. This luxurious finish is signature to the 2026 Fortuner Premium. Protective clear coat is applied and baked, delivering the deep mirror-like shine and UV protection Fortuner owners expect. After cooling, each body receives meticulous hand and machine inspection under special lighting to guarantee flawless paint quality. The painted body enters the trim shop where the luxurious interior begins to take shape. Aligning the dashboard now.
Confirmed. Securing with torque settings.
Good fit. Dashboard is secured. Advanced wiring harnesses for infotainment, safety systems, and 4W guide are installed and connected meticulously. Luxury leather seats with power adjustment and heating are fitted, creating the spacious 7-seater cabin. Second and third row seating systems are installed, completing the versatile, family-friendly layout. Premium door panels with ambient lighting and high-quality materials are mounted and tested for smooth operation. Laminated safety glass windshield and side windows are precisely bonded, ensuring structural integrity and quiet cabin. The powerful turbo diesel engine, fully assembled and tested, is mated to the chassis with advanced mounting technology. The 6-speed automatic transmission and intelligent 4W system are integrated for legendary off-road performance. Stainless steel exhaust system with emissions control is installed and leak tested. Heavy-duty suspension with coil springs and stabilizer bars is fitted, tuned for comfort and capability. Alloy wheels and premium all-terrain tires are mounted and precision balanced. Advanced disc brakes with ABS and electronic stability control are fully installed and tested. High-capacity fuel tank and vapor recovery system are securely fitted. High-performance battery and complete electrical architecture are finalized. signature Toyota grille, LED headlights, and front bumper are aligned and attached. Rear combination lamps and tailgate with power lift function are installed. Soft touch headliner and remaining premium trim pieces complete the luxurious cabin. The large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Toyota Safety Sense is programmed and tested. The engine is started for the first time and all systems undergo comprehensive electronic diagnostics. Four-wheel alignment is performed to factory specifications for perfect handling. Adaptive LED headlights and all safety sensors are precisely aimed and calibrated. The Fortuner enters a high-pressure water test to verify complete weather sealing. The SUV undergoes simulated road conditions to test suspension, brakes, and NVH levels. Expert technicians perform a 300-point final quality inspection on every Fortuner. Professional detailing brings out the full shine before protective wrapping is applied for transport. The completed 2026 Toyota Fortuner Premium rolls off the assembly line under its own power. Pre-delivery inspection ensures every feature functions perfectly before shipping. The unique VIN is permanently affixed and all vehicle data recorded in the global Toyota system. Temporary protective covers safeguard the paint and interior during transit. The finished SUV moves toward the export preparation area.
Okay, initiating the hood check. All components are within spec. Excellent.
The vehicle is carefully positioned for safe internal factory transport. Final battery charge and software updates are completed.
All fluids are topped to exact levels and tire pressures set for delivery.
The container is sealed, labeled, and prepared for nationwide distribution. Our Fortuner joins hundreds of others ready to reach excited customers across the country. The journey from raw steel to premium luxury SUV is complete. This 2026 Toyota Fortuner is now ready for its new owner.
Thanks for watching this complete factory process. Hit subscribe for more amazing factory videos.